So hello guys, welcome here to another video. In this we are going to see number system exercise 1.3. So I hope you have an NCERT book because we are going to deal with the questions from the NCERT book. Okay. So the first question is, write the following in decimal forms and say what kind of decimal expression each has. Means you need to simply identify it as terminating, non-terminating, non-terminating but repeating, or non-terminating and repeating. Non-terminating and not repeating. Okay? Yeah. So the very first is 36 upon 100. Exercise 1.3. Question number first. It is 36 upon 100, which can be simply written as 0.36, as 20 increases 2 points from the backward. So this is a rational number which is terminating. We are only asking about the forms. So what you need to do is simply write terminating. Okay. Now second is 1 divided by 11. Second is 1 divided by 11. Okay. So I hope you all guys are in 9th standard, so you all must know how to divide a number. But when we are given this question, so we are performing this as 11 divided by 1, so nothing here. So simply add 0 here, add point here. Still it cannot be divided by it. Add one more 0 and here also 0. So this is 100. So 11 9s are 99. It is 99. One remaining. 9 times, okay? And again we add 0. Then it is again not divisible. So this. Again it is 99, okay? So what we need to do is, we need to simply add, written it as 0.09 bar, which simply states that it is a non-terminating but repeating number. What it simply states that? It simply states that it is a non-terminating but repeating number. Okay, coming on to question number 3rd. 4 whole 1 by 8. Coming on to the question number 3rd. 4 whole 1 by 8. I hope everyone, as you are in 9th standard, know how to represent a whole number in terms of irrational number. So 8 4s are 8 1s are 8, 8 2 are 16, 8 3 are 24, 8 4s are 32 plus 1 33. 33 by 8, right? 33 by 8. Now what you need to do is you need to simply divide it. 8 divided by 33. Okay. So 8 4s are, I just told you, 8 4s are 32. 32. 1 left. Adding 0, adding point over here. 8. 2 is the remainder. 8 is 1 time. With the remainder 28, 8 60. Okay. Now you must be thinking, कब तक करें इस क्वेश्चन को? Like how many times we need to check it for it is a rational or irrational or terminating or not. The simple steps are, as this is an exercise, you need to perform it 3 to 4 times. Okay, I know it's less, but many times it may increase as according to the question. But the mainly part is maximum 4 times. Sorry, minimum 4 times. Maximum it can increase up to your question varies, because this is NCERT. Okay, minimum is 4. Okay, so coming on to this, 11 is 16. 2 times 4 is the remainder. Again 8. Yeah, 8 5s are, yes, 8 5s are 40. Yes. So what it has done? It has been terminated. It has been, the remainder is 0. So what it has been done? It has been terminated. So which type of number it is? It is a terminating number. What it is? Terminating number. Coming to the question number 4. 3 by 13. Now where is the space? Here is the space. 3 by 13. Okay. So I hope you guys know the table of 13. Okay. 13 divided by 3. Now, it doesn't come in. Put a point over here. Increase 0 over here. So 13 3s are 39. So it should be going to 13 2s are 26. What it is left? It is left with 4. Increase the 0. Okay. What after this? 3s are 39. It is left with 1. 0. Not divided. Increase 0 over here. Again 0. 13 5s are? Yes. 13 6s are? 13 6s are? 13 7s are? Yes. Yes. So yes, 13 7s are? If I am not mistaken, it is 91, right? So 91. 9 is left. 13 7s, right? And 9, then again adding 0. Then it's 13. 8s are, right? Sorry. 13. 6s are. Okay. What it is left with? It is left with 12. This is 6. Okay, 12. So this is, I think, 1, 2, 3, 4 times we have done it. It is a non-terminating number. What it is? It is a non-terminating number. I think this number is never gonna end with 0. Okay, think it is. Okay, so this is a non-terminating number. Okay, coming on to the question number 5. Yes, question number 5, which is 2 by 11. Question number 5, which is 2 by 11. 11 divided by 2. Okay, as it is a single digit per point, increase 0. 11 1s are 11. 9 left. 9 is not there, make it 0. Okay, now 11, 9, 88 times, right? 88 times. 8 over here. 2 remaining. 2 is not. 2 11 times. 11. Okay. What is left? 9 is left. 9. So this we can see like 988. Yeah. So we can see it is a non-terminating but repeating number. 181 is repeating itself, right? Okay. So this is a non-terminating but a repeating number. Okay. We have space over there, right? The sixth one and the last of this question part is 400 divided by 329. It's very lengthy. Do it by yourself. It's very lengthy. Do it by yourself. It's simply division. I know किसी को भी 400 पढ़ा नहीं आता हो. No one in this would be knowing 400 table, but we need to do it. It is a book. Okay, we need to solve it for your school purposes. So do it according to you. Okay. Coming on to the question number 2. Okay. So question number 2 is, let me rub it first. Okay. So question number 2 is, you know that 1 by 7 is equals to 0.142857 bar. Okay. Okay, we know that. It is given in the question. Can you predict what the decimal expression for 2/7, 3/7, 4/7, 5/7, 6/7 are without actually doing long division method? If so, how? Simply, any number divided by any number, the outcome which is there, any number divided by any number, the outcome which is there is a multiple of these digits. How? Is a multiple of this. Like for example, it is 3, right? Increase 0, it is 0.9333 equals 0.3. What if we need to take out the decimal? If we need to do, we need to, what I need to do? I need to simply multiply 0.3 bar into 2. I got the answer. It's as simple as that. What we need to do is 0.6 bar. Okay. Yeah. It's as simple as that. Okay. So the question is 1. Without actual multiplication, right? So 1.7. Question number 2 1.7 is given as 0.142857 bar. Okay, you need to find out till 6, right? 7, yes. So what you need to do is simply multiply 1 by 1/7, which is simply multiply by this number. So 7 to the 14, carry 1, 5 5 is 10, carry 1, which 11, 8 is 16, plus 7, carry 1, 2 to the 4, plus 1 5, 4 to the 8, and 2, it is 0.2. Okay, now coming on 3, you need to do it simply by this. I think you guys can do it. You need to simply multiply it with this number. जो कैरी है उन्हें ध्यान में रखना. Do not misconfuse with carry. You need to count the carries also, right? इसमें एक ही गलती हो सकती है अगर आप करो तो, कि कैरी लगाना भूल जाओ, right? चलो ये 1 3 वाला और दिखाया था. फिर आपको 4 5 6 आपका होमवर्क 4 5 6 इजी का, ठीक है. सिंपल मल्टीप्लिकेशन है, ठीक है ना. तो दिस इज 7. आई एम सो सॉरी, दिस इज 7, राइट, है ना. So what you need to do, you need to simply multiply this with this 3 by this number. So 21, carry 2. ओके, मतलब कैरी आप 1 में भी लिख सकते हो अगर आपका मन है. 9th क्लास में लिख भी सकते हो. ओके, लेकिन आंसर में ना जब करो तो अलग डिफरेंशिएट कर देना है. सो 5 is 15, 16, 17, कैरी 1 है. 8 is 16, 8 is 24, 25, कैरी 2, 3 6 8, 12, 2, carry 1, 3, 4. So this is 0.42. This is 4.428571 bar. Okay, rest do it by yourself. Coming on to the question number 3. Why we actually do give homework is you should also know what you are doing. सारे क्वेश्चन हम भी करा देंगे तो आपको पता चलेगा कि आपको कितना समझ में आया. थोड़ा प्रयास करो. एकदम बहुत आसान क्वेश्चन है, बहुत आसान. मेरे साथ मैथ पढ़ो, बहुत आसान हो जाएगी. पढ़िए तो सही, बहुत आसान है. पढ़िए तो सही, ठीक है. कमिंग ऑन टू द क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. Question number 3 is simply express the following in P upon Q, where P and Q are integers and Q should not equals to 0. Okay, this is a nice question. Like अभी तक हम बहुत बेसिक्स कर रहे थे, वो बस 1-2 नंबर में आएंगे. अगर आए तो यहाँ से क्वेश्चन आपके पेपर में आने शुरू होते हैं. जो भी पेपर होगा आपका, जो भी स्कूल का नॉर्मल, मतलब पहले यूटी लेते हैं ना, ऐसे यूनिट टेस्ट जो भी हो, फिर हाफ ईयरली फाइनल जो भी हो, उसमें अगर आए तो यहाँ से क्वेश्चन आने शुरू होते हैं. बाकी इससे पहले जो थे वो 1-1 नंबर में आ जाते हैं. जो क्वेश्चन आते हैं वो यहाँ से आते हैं. एक्सप्रेस द फॉलोइंग इन टर्म्स ऑफ 0.6 बार. Question number first is 0.6 bar. Okay, 0.6 bar. What you need to do is do step by step procedure of what I am doing. Okay, in first line write let x is equals to 0.6 bar. What we are doing in this way, we are initializing the value of x, where x is equals to 0.6, right, which is given in the question. Now what we need to do is we need to multiply both sides by 10. 10 से multiply करने से होगा. It is a step by step procedure of solving a question. Okay, multiply 10 both sides. What we get is 10x by 6.6 bar. Okay, right? Now 10x can be simply written as 10x. It is what? It is 6 plus 0.6 bar. Okay, 10x can be simply written as that. Okay, now what? By equation first, 10x can be written as 6 plus this was x. This value can be written as x by equation first. यहाँ पर अगर लिखना चाहो तो लिख सकते हो by equation first. सिंपली ये जो 0.6 है वो हमने पहले ही इनिशियलाइज कर दिया था, तो इसकी वैल्यू इसमें डाल दी. अब हम क्या करेंगे, इस वाले x को इधर भेजेंगे. क्या करेंगे, इस वाले x को इधर भेजेंगे. तो 10x minus x is equals to 6. ठीक है ना. Cutting a point, what it is, 9x is 9x equals to 6. अब फिर से 9 को भेज देंगे 6 by 9. What it is? By dividing it with 3, it is 2 upon 3. It is the answer. What it is? It is the answer. This is the small procedure of converting any number into P upon Q form. Here, where P and Q are integers and Q is not equals to 0 and Q is not equals to 0. I think we should move forward. I think this is well understood by you all. Coming on to the question number 7, second. Or I should give it as an homework. I think 0.47 is an easy question. I think we should do question number 3rd. Tell me. Do question number 2nd by your own self. कुछ खुद तो करिए तभी तो कराने में मजा आएगा. ठीक है ना? Note it down. Pause the video. Note it down. We will move further with the question number 3rd. Okay. So I am rubbing it. Okay. Question number 3rd, part 3rd. Okay. 0.001 bar. Okay. So as I discussed in the first question, let x is equals to 0.001. Okay. What next? Now can you understand something? 0.0, it's not becoming. We need to multiply it with something different. Okay, it's powerful. Right. In question number 2, pay attention over here. In question number 2 of this same question number 2 which we have left, the bar is on 7. Kindly remember the 7 is the only one which is going to repeat. 4 is not going to repeat. 7 is the only number which is going to repeat. So do be careful while dealing with that question. Okay. Not this. Now if we divide it with, if we multiply it with 10 both sides, nothing is going to affect. We need to think of a different number, a big number which we multiplied on both the sides to get a number which something gets friendly to us. Okay, because if we multiply it with 10x, it becomes 10x plus 0.01. It's not coming in the real terms. Okay, so what we need to do is we need to multiply it simply with 100 or 1000. We will multiply it with that number, but for the sake of easiness, we take numbers which are multiple of 10. 10 or 100? Tell me. It can be done by both. It can also be done by 10, but something bigger number. Okay, so bar is on 3 numbers, right? So we will multiply it with 1000. Okay, on multiplying by 1000 both the side. Write it down. Multiplying it by 1000 both the side. So what it become? 1000x is equals to 3 zeros. 3 zeros, pass it out. 1.001 bar. Okay. Equation number 1st, upper side. Okay. This can be stated as 100x is equals to 1.001 bar. Right? Which can be further written as 1 plus 0.001 bar, which is equals to x transposing this side. Okay, x transposing this side, it become 999. X is equals to 1. Make it by 1 upon 999. This is a rational number, and that's all. In this video, we are going to deal with these 3 questions only, because my main objective is making easy learning. Okay, what my main objective? Making learning easy. Therefore, I have classified videos into smaller chunks. Hope you catch you up in the next one. If you like the content, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Okay, tata bye bye. Catch you up in the next one.